Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are enjoying the best of your health. Dear students, in the last lesson, you were given the task to do this homework. That was activity A and G on notebook and the activity B and D on textbook. These were fill in the blanks. Now this is the time to give you feedback. Dear students, these are question answer. Question number 1. What is the poem about? Answer. The poem is an address to Almighty Allah. The poet requests Allah to guide him and help him to follow the right path. Moreover, save him to go astray. Question number 2. This is pick out the repeated words from the poem. Following are the repeated words: no need, you, who, the way, your, not of those. These three are phrases and these three are words that have been repeated in the poem. And this is question number 3. Write a summary of the poem in your own words. This is the summary that I have written for you. This poem has been written by Muhammad Athar Tahir. The poem is an address to Almighty Allah. The poet requests Allah to guide him to the right path and help him to follow it. Moreover, save him to go astray too. The poet says that Allah has blessed us a lot and driven us to the right path. This favor can never be obliged. We forget him, we forget Allah. This H, capital H, shows that this him is for Allah. We forget him, but he means Allah, but Allah never forgets us. It is our duty to remember him, to remember Allah every time for his countless favors. We should seek his guidance and pray to keep us away from the path of evil. Dear student, this H is capital. This represents that we are talking to Allah. And the exercise G, this is exercise G. Take out rhyming words and write them separately. I have written these rhyming words for you. The first word is grace. These three words have been taken: grace, trace and brace. Yellow, fellow, mellow, hello. This is night, right, sight and fight. This is way, day, lay, may and pay. Next, need, feed, breed, bleed and read. Last, anger and hanger. These were exercise A and exercise G. You will have done on your notebooks, and this is activity B. From the brackets, choose the best suitable answer and finish these lines with the word which rhymes. Sugar and spice and everything nice. Spice, nice. Once I dive into these pages, I may not come out for ages. Pages, ages. I like to eat and crunch the food I have for lunch. Crunch, lunch. These are rhyming words, and these suitable words have been written here: nice, ages and lunch. And the last activity that was given to you, activity D. This was choose the preposition, fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. My birthday is in May. What are you doing in the afternoon? She's sitting in a chair. My best friend lives in Lahore. I am not interested in buying a new car now. Dear students, this is enough today. Now this is time to say you Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourselves. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.